Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Buka's Masterclass, and today I will be showing you what is happening on MaskEX. MaskEX has been giving their traders, their subscribers a lot of good gifts in this new year. Shiba, BTC, USDT, Dogecoin, and many more gifts from MaskEX. MaskEX just subscribe to New Year lucky draw. You will be given a gift. Once you join the chat room, you will be given a link by an anonymous Elon Musk. Anonymous Elon Musk is giving people 1,000 Shiba, 300,000 Shiba, 70 something USDT, 1,000 USDT, 1,000 BTC, 1,000 worth of BTC, $1,000 worth of BTC, $1,000 worth of Dogecoin. All this is happening on MaskEX. Only on MaskEX you can see this type of thing happening. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join the chat room. All you need to do right now is just go to the description below this video and click on that link and download MaskEX app and go inside, register with your username or register with your email or your phone number, then go inside MaskEX and join the chat room right now. A lot is happening on chat room. Now you don't have to say I don't have the money to trade. This video MaskEX is giving you free gifts. All you need to do is just register, and if you want to trade, we are going to give you full guidance and tutorial on how to trade and make money on MaskEX. Guys, let me show you the inside. So I'll be showing you the inside right now on MaskEX app. So this is the inside, guys. This is the inside. So all you need to do is just plus this pause button and you see chat room mail. This is for customer care, the mail. This is for what is going on in my account, but this is the chat room. Once you come here, MaskEX New Year lucky draw. This is where it's happening, guys. MaskEX New Year lucky draw. And once you join, here you will see many things going on. You see Shiba, BTC, Elon Musk is back. Elon Musk is back. See, congratulations, you received the envelope. See, right here, you open the envelope, you go to here, you will see 375 Shiba, USDT, this is 100 and some 1,000 Shiba, this is Shiba, this one is for Shiba, and a lot more has been happening since today in MaskEX. There are a lot of gifts in MaskEX. This, once you see Elon Musk, the anonymous Elon Musk, once you see the anonymous Elon Musk, these are people. Here you see 1,000 people using MaskEX. Once you see the anonymous Elon Musk, you know that the anonymous Elon Musk has a gift for you. All these are histories I'm showing you. All these are history collectible for bright people. This one collected 1 Shiba. You can get many amount of things, many amount of goodies from MaskEX. So right now I'm gonna show you someone that got 70 something. This is 71 USDT. Elon Musk, I love Africa. Guys, you can't afford to miss this opportunity. All you need to do right now is just use the link below this video, MaskEX link, register on MaskEX, go in there and get your gifts. You can also join the Telegram group where we'll be sharing all trading signals, tutorials for beginners. You can just join below the link below. So guys, and once more, remember to thumbs up to this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and wait for more updates, more opportunities, more tutorials on crypto sector. Thank you. Signing out right now. Bookers Masterclass. Thank you.